Welcome, cosmic enthusiasts, to Vedic Astrology Lagna. Today, we're diving into an enlightening journey into the captivating world of Vedic astrology, specifically designed for beginners, where we navigate the celestial mysteries. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey into the captivating world of Vedic astrology, focusing on birth charts. Astrology, an ancient wisdom rooted in cosmic influences, unveils its secrets through birth charts. Join me in this comprehensive beginner's guide, where we explore the foundational principles of interpreting Vedic birth charts tailored for cosmic novices. Introduction to Vedic Birth Charts. Birth charts. Vedic birth charts, also known as Janam Kundli, encapsulate the positions of celestial bodies at birth. These charts serve as cosmic blueprints, guiding us through our unique cosmic makeup and life's journey. Elements of a birth chart. A birth chart comprises key components, planets, zodiacs, and their placements. Understanding these elements is crucial, as they sculpt our cosmic identity and experiences. Planets, symbolizing cosmic energies, each planet carries distinct traits impacting our personalities and life events. Zodiac signs, bringing specific qualities, these signs color our characteristics based on their placements in various houses. Houses, representing different life aspects, planetary positions within these houses offer insights into specific arenas of our lives. Role of planets in birth charts. Planets wield cosmic influence, shaping our destinies in diverse ways. Let's explore the pivotal roles of key planets in Vedic astrology. The Sun, signifying vitality and core essence, it illuminates our life aspirations. The Moon, governing emotions and instincts, it shapes our emotional responses and needs. Mercury, ruling communication and intellect, it influences our learning and expression. Venus, symbolizing love and harmony, it colors our relationships and aesthetic sense. Mars, embodies energy and action, driving our assertiveness and courage. Jupiter, represents expansion and abundance, opening avenues for growth. Saturn, signifying discipline and challenges, it teaches invaluable life lessons. Interpretation of zodiac signs. Zodiac signs offer distinctive traits, contributing significantly to our cosmic makeup. Let's decode the fundamental characteristics of each sign. Aries, from March 21st to April 19th, embodies leadership and courage, displaying assertiveness. Taurus, from April 20th to May 20th, signifies stability and determination, seeking security. Gemini, from May 21st to June 20th, represents adaptability and communication, engaging intellectually. Cancer, from June 21st to July 22nd, embodying and emotions, seeking emotional security. Leo, from July 23rd to August 22nd, signifies creativity and self-expression. Virgo, from August 23rd to September 22nd, embodies practicality and attention to detail. Libra, from September 23rd to October 22nd, presents harmony and partnerships. Scorpio, from October 23rd to November 21st, embodies intensity and transformation. Sagittarius, from November 22nd to December 21st, signifies adventure and wisdom. Capricorn, from December 22nd to January 19th, embodies ambition and discipline. Aquarius, from January 20th to February 18th, represents innovation and independence. Pisces, from February 19th to March 20th, embodies sensitivity and spirituality. Understanding the 12 houses. The 12 houses portray diverse life arenas, offering profound insights into our experiences and paths. First house reflects self-identity and appearance. Second house signifies wealth and values. Third house governs communication and learning. Fourth house represents home and family. Fifth house embodies creativity and romance. Sixth house signifies health service. Seventh house reflects partnerships and relationships. Eighth house represents transformations and shared resources. Ninth house signifies higher learning and spirituality. 10th house embodies career and public image. 11th house represents friendships and aspirations. 12th reflects spirituality and hidden matters. Mastering Vedic astrology birth chart interpretation unlocks cosmic wisdom, empowering self-discovery. I hope this beginner's guide serves as your guiding star on your celestial journey. Thank you for accompanying us on this cosmic expedition through decoding Vedic birth charts. insights and astrology guidance for beginners, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Vedic Astrology Lagna.